Okay, folks, let's do another one. This one is for those who have made the attempt of contacting these courts and telling them or requesting from them to provide the records, the financial records connected to the case and things of that matter. This is what would be a suggestion or an avenue that one can take when they want to get those financial records and they're offering resistance. It's called Subpoena Duces Tecum. Subpoena Duces Tecum. Let's get into it. A subpoena duces tecum is a legal document that compels a person to produce a specific documents, records, or other tangible evidence for a legal proceeding. It essentially orders the recipient to bring with you, meaning that's the translated meaning of subpoena duces tecum. It means it essentially orders the recipient to bring with you the designated items under penalty of law. Here's a more detailed explanation. Purpose. A subpoena duces tecum is used to obtain evidence that is relevant to a case, whether it is a civil, right, or criminal matter. It's particularly useful when the evidence is in the possession of someone who is not a party to the lawsuit. Latin term. The term duces tecum is Latin for bring with you, highlighting the core function of this type of subpoena. Distinction from witness subpoena. Unlike a standard subpoena that compels a person to appear and testify, a subpoena duces tecum specifically requires the production of documents or other tangible items. Compliance. The person served with this, and this is a really, really good part right here. I love this part. Watch. The person served with a subpoena duces tecum must comply with the order unless they have a valid legal reason to object, such as privilege or undue burden. All right? And here goes the consequences. Consequences of non-compliance. Failure to comply with a subpoena duces tecum can lead to serious consequences, including contempt of court charges, and penalties. Examples of evidence. Examples of items that might be requested in a subpoena duces tecum include phone records, emails, financial documents. All right, so those are when you go into the court and you're demanding your 1099s and that which is connected to that. When you're demanding your bonds, appearance bond, performance bond, payment bond, and the like, bid bonds. Okay, so we're talking financial documents, medical records, or any other relevant information. So with that, people, we're going to stop here. You now have your method for going about getting those records. If you ask for them and they don't turn them over to you, subpoena duces tecum. Put that pressure on them. It's all pressure. With that, I'm going to end this with Assalamu alaikum to the Muslims, Islam to the Moors, Shalom to the Hebrews, Hotep to the Egyptologists, Namaste to the Hindus, peace be upon you to the Christians, and good morning to those who are just waking up to this knowledge. Good morning. You're welcome.